Hi there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply for the good conduct or police clearance certificate in Kenya. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I want you to do is to come on Google and search e-Citizen. And my friend, you're going to load this first link. So I'll click enter, and then you are either going to sign in or register. I can now log in. So when I come here, I'll be able to log in using her details. So I'm going to delete this just like that. And then I'm going to put her email. So just like that at gmail.com. And then I'm going to put her password. Remember the password that I set? I'm going to have it there. Okay, and then I'll click on sign in. Then it will sign in. They'll ask me to send an OTP or just the code. I'll choose Gmail, and then I'll come to Gmail. Remember they have sent this, so I'll click on Gmail and then verification and copy this. Just highlight and right click and copy. Come back here, right click and paste, and then hit on next. Then it will load. By the way, I like this view. I like how the government has updated this website. It's cool. So we need apply for certificate of good conduct. So I'll click on that, and then I'll just click on continue, and then give it a moment to load. Okay, and then I'll have to come here, police clearance owner. I'll choose and say your application and click on next. And then in here, I want to, you can read through, which is okay. You'll have to pay $10.50. So I'll just click on next. And then fingerprint area, I'll choose Western. Fingerprint location, I'll choose Kakamega, Huduma Center. Then hit complete. Then I'll click on this PCC, and I'll have now to pay the $10.50 for me to be able to finish the process. So the process finishes by payments, okay? So I'm going to click on pay, and then it's going to load this PCC form, and I'll choose a way that I want to pay. So I'll use M-Pesa, and then they remember the number you put there. So if it is correct, you just click on pay, and then a prompt will come on the phone. She'll put her M-Pesa pin, and then just click on complete to confirm the payment. So she's paid successfully. And so here you can be able to download or print the forms. So you can print the C24 finger and palm print form. And now that I'm in the cyber, I'll print for her so that she's going to use it. I'll just uncheck that and hit on print. And then I'll also print the receipts. So I'll just click on print, and just a moment, so that she will carry this very two receipts plus the fingerprint form for just scrutiny. So guys, that is it. What she needs to carry is the C24 form for just the fingerprints, and also the receipts to show that she paid. This is how you can quickly apply for a certificate of good conduct. After 3 weeks of processing, your good conduct will be available on your email. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be pushed to more people who are searching for this service. And if you like my general content, feel free to subscribe with the notifications on, so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click anywhere on the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I will see you in that video. Peace.